Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about Karnataka State Law University art semester results and upcoming E1 semester examinations. As you all know, everyone thinking about art semester results as well upcoming examinations. So, what is the facts I would like to going to speak today? As per our informations, KSLU evaluation is going on for odd semesters. March 2021 odd semester has been done by KSLU. So the same evaluation paper evaluation is going on. Once complete the evaluation, definitely they will be going to results. Maybe next month means September first week. Maybe result may announced as per the informations. So we need not to worry about much about whichever is happened. Already it is happened examinations. Only result yet to come. We need to wait for not more than a month. You definitely will be going to get results. Then everyone is thinking about upcoming examination will be promoted on the basis of previous art semester results or offline exams they will be going to conduct. Everyone has a confusion. I will clarify that confusions because our mind should not think about much about consequences. So why we are studying LLB? Not only for complete the examination, means not only completing the course, as well we have to gain the knowledge of any kind of legislations. We need to gain the knowledge, then only we can able to argue with of any topics or any matter after completion of your course. So that is the reason my advice is to, you should not think about whether they are going to conduct examinations, they are going to promote on the basis of art semester results. We should not think about it. Actually, we need to concentrate on our studies. We have to concentrate on attend the classes. Offline classes have already started more than a month. It has been continued, and further also will be continued till up to results. After completion, after getting results, maybe KSLU will be going to give notification on examinations of art semesters. So after that we need to write for the examinations. If at all many universities have been announced already declared results on the basis of art semesters. For even semester they have already promoted for BA, BSc degree, whatever. I have heard from Mysore University, they have got promoted for degree level. We cannot say KSL will be going to conduct or not conduct on the basis of facts, on the basis of court judgments. It will be. So my advice is to please prepare well for your upcoming examinations. Please be write your own notes. Please be solve problems. Be study about your case laws. Be study about bare acts. There are many things are there. You have to gain knowledge yourself. Whether they will be going to conduct or not, that is up to the university. We cannot deny with that university rules and regulations. So our thing is to, we have to study about our upcoming examinations. So every day you have to prepare yourself that you will be well versed to going to conduct, going to write your examinations. So after getting results, we'll come to know KSLU will be going to conduct exams, or they will be going to announce results on the basis of art semester. That and all we have to see later. So far, please don't get any rumors or something like that. Maybe promotion, maybe they are going to conduct offline. Still not yet decided. So our means our students has to study upcoming examinations well. My advice is to please study well about your even semester examinations. Whether going to conduct or not, that is up to the university. That doesn't matter. If you study, efforts never fail, my dear students. Definitely will be have a hold on LLB if you have studied well. After completion of course, also it will be very advantage to deal day-to-day activities. So I hope I have clarified your doubts regarding results as well as upcoming even semester examinations. Earlier I said the results will be going to announce very soon. Means evaluation is going on. Come once completion of evaluation, definitely there will be announced results. After completion of after announcement of results, they will be notified for further even semester examinations. So we'll see. Once we'll get results, they will be notified examination whether going to conduct offline exams or on the basis of previous semester art semester they will be going to get promoted. We have to see, yet to see. So we do not bother about future, we have to concentrate on present what it is. We have to think about it, and we have to study well. Any of you have syllabus, any of you are attending the colleges classes, and internal test have been done, and assessment also I hope you have already submitted to the colleges. So internal I think completed. We have to concentrate on external means university examinations of even semester. Please study for your gain knowledge. So that is very important in LLB. So it is my advice is to please study well and do well for your upcoming examination if they have been conducted from KSLU. If they are going to get, they're going to get promoted also, no problem, need not to worry about it. Whatever you are putting efforts, one or the other way you will get benefits. Thank you.